Hello everyone, welcome back to ViaVia Kitchen with me, Lala. Today I will show you how to make rujak buah or fruit mixed fruit with gula melaka sauce, which is we usually palm sugar. First, I will chop the fruit. I will show you how the process, and then the next process is we will make the sauce. The sauce consists of palm sugar. Here I'm using about 100 grams of palm sugar, and then chili. If you don't like spicy, you can skip the chili, or you can just make with one chili. And then aromatic ginger. I will show you in the description. Then terasi or belacan, and then here I'm using salt. This is for the sauce. And then for the fruit, we usually in Indonesia using tropical fruit like pineapple, and then cucumber, and then papaya. Usually we use raw papaya, but here I'm using ripe papaya. And then there are also sour fruit like mango and kedondong, and I will show you in the description also. And in here I also using pineapple, papaya, cucumber, and apple. That is easy in the storage. So first, for the first step, I will slice the apple and all of the fruit, and then I will put it in a bowl and mix all of together. Remove the core. Slice the apple, this small size like this. Okay, and then do the rest, and then I will put it in a bowl. And then I will continue with the pineapple. Remove the core. And then the papaya. Okay, and all of the fruit is ready, and then the next I will prepare for to making sauce. So for the sauce, I'm using 100 grams of palm sugar, and then chili because I like it spicy, but if you don't like spicy, you can just skip this chili, or you can use one chili. And then I also using terasi or belacan, and then here I'm using aromatic ginger and half a teaspoon of salt. I will crush all of them, and then to make it a little bit watery, I will use the juice of the pineapple. If you don't have a mortar, stone mortar like this, you can use a blender or a food processor. Terasi is a shrimp paste, If you don't have shrimp paste, you can skip it also. Rujak is very famous food in Indonesia, especially in Java, and there are also various kind of rujak. And usually the sauce is different. The difference is in the sauce. Some of them using peanut or cashew, and also rujak is suitable to eat for appetizer or for dessert. And then to make it watery, it's a little bit thick, so I will make it a little bit watery with using pineapple, so the texture will be more soft and not too thick. Okay, this is for the sauce. The texture is like this. The taste is sweet and sour and a little bit spicy. Okay, and then I will mix the sauce into the fruit, and later on I will plate with ice cream. So that's why I make this recipe is rujak ice cream or mixed fruit topped with ice cream and brown sugar sauce. And then mix together. And then I will plate it in a glass. Put the rujak in a glass. You can serve it in room temperature or serve in cold. You can put it in a fridge first. And then I put the ice cream on top. And this is it. Rujak ice cream is ready to serve. And I hope you can recook and remake this in your kitchen. It's easy to make. You can use any kind of hard fruit in your storage. And then if you have any question, you can drop in the comment below. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice try everyone.